Here's a little recap of this InvisiLights install we just completed in Taylor, Utah. This customer wanted permanent lighting on the front and both sides of the home. Once the control box was mounted, Josiah started running extensions wrapped in loom, while Dee started placing lights in track. With this many lights, we chose to use a 36-volt system rather than a 24-volt system, so we wouldn't have to power inject. One of the benefits of using aluminum channel is that you get a lot less exposed wires. There's enough space behind the track for you to hide data boosters, white connectors, extensions, and any power injection wires. The tools needed for installing InvisiLights are fairly simple. All of the tools and materials for this install fit into the back of this Honda Element, and the roof rack on top holds all the ladders. Once everything was installed, we got the system programmed and calibrated so it's ready for the customer to use. Here's the view at night. The customer has the light set to one of the accent lighting presets. If you have any questions about InvisiLights or are interested in becoming a dealer, give us a call or visit lightsatwholesale.com and use our online chat feature.